Got us a big cat on. Been fighting them for a little while. We hadn't seen him yet. We think it's a cat. I would almost bet that it's a big flathead, but we'll find out. Hopefully.
Seen color at all?
No flash.
Down there in Davy's locker.
Not be a really big cat.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a pretty good one. He's moving awful slow.
Right.
That's why I said he still ain't made a run like one of them 10-pounders, you know.
Oh, I think this one's going to be much better than that.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying.
See the first bubble there?
Yeah.
Usually when he gets ready to come up, they'll start letting some bubbles out like that out of that air bladder. I'm going to make some room here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, big old bubble there. Look at all those bubbles. It's getting close.
He's actually closer than I thought he was.
Yeah, getting close.
Look at these.
Oh, look at those.
Oop, I
There
saw
he
his
is.
tail.
See his tail.
Looked like he's about 6 foot long. He's pretty good size though. I didn't get a good look at him enough to
There he
see.
is. He's good.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
a good one.
That's huge.
He's in the 25, 30.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Wow.
It's a nice.
That's a good flathead.
Ooh, that's
Oh
a
my
big old
gosh,
flathead.
that's huge.
Look at that.
That's amazing.
All right, let's get you a picture with him.
Yep.
Awesome.
That was work.
Heck yeah.
Dang.
Take that off your hands.
Okay.